Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here let's use the home screen, of course. Find and select the settings. Right now let's choose the security and privacy. Let's choose fingerprint ID, select Fingerprint Management. And before you add your fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. So for example, the pattern, pin or password. In my case it could be pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Let's do it again just for confirmation. Tap done, and that's it. Now you've got enabled the fingerprint management and you can add a new fingerprint. So let me tap on new fingerprint. Let's enroll your fingerprint. So you can find the sensor at the debug of the device right here. Let's start tapping a couple of times to save the whole fingerprint. Let's use all edges of the fingerprint. And as you can see, just successfully enrolled your fingerprint. Here you can rename the fingerprint. Let me do it. For example, you can choose your name or something else. In my case it could be HardReset, for example. This is my fingerprint, as you can see. You can delete it or rename it again. Alright, you can also add new fingerprint. You can use the fingerprint recognition, or you can use the following settings. If you would like to lock your device, let's press power key, and now if you would like to unlock it, you can do it by using your pattern, or you can do it by using your fingerprint. Let me show you. That's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.